In a move that surprised many defense analysts, Portugal cancelled its planned acquisition of the F-35A Lightning II fighter jet in March 2025. This decision came after extensive deliberations and assessments of the country's defense needs and budget constraints. This decision marked a significant shift in Portugal's defense strategy. The country had been a long-time ally of the United States, often relying on American military technology. It signaled a move away from reliance on American military hardware. The F-35, while technologically advanced, had become increasingly entangled in concerns about cost, political reliability, and operational autonomy. The F-35, while technologically advanced, had become increasingly entangled in concerns about cost, political reliability, and operational autonomy. The high maintenance costs and the complex logistics of operating the F-35 were also significant factors in Portugal's decision. Portugal began to look elsewhere for a fighter jet that could better meet its specific needs. The search was on for a more cost-effective and reliable alternative that could still provide the necessary capabilities for national defense. Portugal's decision highlighted a growing trend among European nations seeking alternatives to American defense products. This trend was driven by a desire for greater independence and control over their military assets. The F-35, once considered the future of NATO air power, was now facing competition from capable and more affordable European-designed platforms. These platforms offered similar capabilities without the political and financial strings attached. This shift in perception opened the door for contenders like the Eurofighter Typhoon, Dassault Rafale, and other European jets to be considered as viable alternatives. And most notably, Sweden's Saab JAS 39 Gripen to enter the fray. The Gripen, known for its cost-effectiveness and operational flexibility, became a strong candidate for Portugal's new fighter jet fleet. Portugal's need for new fighter jets is driven by the aging fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons currently in service. These aircraft, while having served the Portuguese Air Force well, are nearing the end of their operational life. The F-16S, acquired in the 1990s, are becoming increasingly expensive to maintain. They lack the advanced capabilities necessary to meet the evolving challenges of modern warfare. With an annual defense budget of approximately $4 billion, Portugal faces the challenge of maintaining a credible defense posture while balancing economic realities. The F-35, with its high acquisition and operating costs, proved to be a difficult fit within these budgetary constraints. Portugal recognized the need for a more cost-effective solution that could provide cutting-edge capabilities without breaking the bank. The Gripen, with its reputation for affordability and operational efficiency, emerged as a strong contender. The Saab JAS 39 Gripen, a Swedish-designed multi-role fighter jet, presents a compelling alternative to the F-35. Developed by Saab, this aircraft is known for its cutting-edge technology and innovative design. It embodies a different design philosophy, emphasizing agility, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. The Gripen is not just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of Swedish engineering prowess. Unlike the larger and more complex F-35, the Gripen is designed to operate from austere bases with minimal ground support. This capability allows it to be deployed in a variety of environments, making it highly adaptable. This makes it particularly well-suited for Portugal's geography and strategic priorities. The ability to take off and land on shorter runways is a significant advantage. The Gripen's appeal extends beyond its operational flexibility. Its design allows for quick turnaround times, enabling rapid deployment and redeployment. It boasts advanced technical capabilities, including a sophisticated radar system, electronic warfare suite, and a diverse weapons payload. These features ensure that the Gripen can handle a wide range of missions. The latest iteration, the Gripen EF, incorporates further enhancements such as increased range, more powerful engines, and enhanced sensor fusion. These upgrades make it even more formidable in modern combat scenarios. These features, combined with the Gripen's reputation for reliability and ease of maintenance, make it an attractive option for air forces seeking a modern and capable fighter jet without the hefty price tag of the F-35. Its cost-effectiveness does not compromise its performance, making it a smart choice for many nations. One of the most significant advantages of the Gripen is its cost-effectiveness. With an estimated unit cost of around $40 million, the Gripen is significantly cheaper to acquire than the F-35A, which can cost upwards of $80 million per aircraft. This price difference is even more pronounced when considering the Gripen's lower operating costs, estimated at around $7,000 per flight hour, compared to the F-35's significantly higher operating expenses. This affordability factor is particularly crucial for Portugal, a nation with a relatively modest defense budget. The Gripen's lower acquisition and operating costs would allow the Portuguese Air Force to acquire and operate a larger fleet of modern fighter jets, enhancing its overall combat capability without straining its financial resources. This economic viability is a key driver behind Portugal's interest in the Gripen. Section 5. Technical prowess of the Gripen. The Gripen's appeal extends far beyond its affordability. It is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to meet the rigorous demands of contemporary aerial combat. It boasts an impressive array of technical capabilities, making it a highly capable, multi-role fighter jet. Whether it's air superiority, ground attack, or reconnaissance, the Gripen excels in all roles. At its heart lies the powerful General Electric F-414G engine, providing the Gripen with a top speed exceeding Mach 2 and a combat radius of over 500 miles. This engine ensures that the Gripen can respond swiftly to any threat, maintaining air dominance. Its advanced avionics suite includes the Leonardo EAST-05 Raven radar, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously and engaging them with precision-guided munitions. This radar system is a game-changer in modern aerial warfare. Furthermore, the Gripen is equipped with the Skyward G-IRST, or Infrared Search and Track system, allowing it to detect and track enemy aircraft without relying on active radar emissions, thus enhancing its stealth capabilities. This system provides a significant tactical advantage in combat scenarios. The Gripen's electronic warfare suite provides comprehensive protection from enemy radar and missile threats. It can deploy countermeasures to evade detection and neutralize incoming threats, ensuring the safety of the pilot and the mission. Its 10 hardpoints can carry a diverse array of air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, including the highly advanced Meteor and Iris-T missiles. This versatility in armament allows the Gripen to adapt to various mission requirements, making it a formidable opponent in any combat situation. Section 6. Economic benefits for Portugal. Beyond the direct military benefits, the selection of the Gripen could bring significant economic advantages to Portugal. Saab, the Swedish aerospace and defense company behind the Gripen, is known for its willingness to engage in technology transfer and local production partnerships. This approach, successfully implemented in Brazil's acquisition of the Gripen, could translate into substantial investments in Portugal's domestic aerospace industry. Saab's proposed partnership model could involve Portuguese companies like Aviation, a leading aerospace firm specializing in aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. This collaboration could extend beyond MRO to encompass the production of Gripen components and sub-assemblies. Such a partnership would create high-skilled jobs, boost technological innovation, and contribute to Portugal's economic growth. Section 7. Challenges and concerns. Despite its many advantages, the Gripen's potential acquisition by Portugal is not without challenges. One concern stems from the fighter jet's reliance on the American-made General Electric F-414G engine. This dependence raises concerns about potential export restrictions imposed by the United States, particularly in light of Portugal's desire for greater operational autonomy. Another challenge lies in the realm of political uncertainty. Portugal's upcoming parliamentary elections, scheduled for May 18, 2025, could delay the final decision on the Gripen acquisition. The outcome of these elections, and the defense priorities of the newly elected government, will significantly influence the future of this potential deal. Section 8. A history of interest. Portugal's interest in the Gripen is not new. The Portuguese Air Force has been evaluating the Swedish fighter jet since at least 2013, recognizing its potential to meet the country's defense needs. The Gripen's combat prowess has been demonstrated in various exercises and operations, including the prestigious Red Flag exercise in 2006, where it performed admirably alongside other advanced fighter jets. The Gripen's track record, particularly its successful operation by the Czech Republic and Hungary, two NATO members with similar defense requirements to Portugal, further reinforces its suitability for the Portuguese Air Force. The recent acquisition of 12 A-29N Super Tucano light attack aircraft from Brazil, a nation operating the Gripen, highlights Portugal's growing familiarity with Swedish and Brazilian aerospace technology. Section 9. A sign of shifting trends. Portugal's potential selection of the Gripen could have far-reaching implications for European defense trends. It could signal a broader shift away from reliance on American defense systems, particularly in the realm of fighter aircraft. This shift reflects a desire among European nations for greater strategic autonomy and control over their defense procurement. The Gripen's potential success in Portugal could also impact NATO's long-term procurement plans. The F-35, once envisioned as the cornerstone of NATO air power, now faces competition from capable and more affordable European alternatives. This development could lead to a more diverse and balanced transatlantic defense industrial base, fostering greater competition and innovation in the process.